Forex family, what's up? What's happening? What's going on? Good morning. It's Wednesday. Can you believe it? It's already Wednesday. It's Wednesday, March 6th. As y'all can see what's on the screen, man, we finna get into them Great British Pound pairs real quick. Got to get out here, and I got to be on the highway, headed to work at 6 in the morning, 6 a.m. It is 5:30 right now, so I'll be here for a few minutes. We can look through a few of these pairs, go over some analysis we've done already. I mean, pretty much the analysis is pretty much done. It's not too much new to look at. It's just the market has been making the moves that we have been aligning from the charts on a British Pound pair. So we're gonna get into that right here, right. All right, guys. Forex family, I am back. Just had to get that out the way. Uh, this is the Great British Pound Australian dollar weekly time frame, and let's go ahead and get with it. Okay, the weekly time frame. I don't know where all these I don't know where all that come from, but market uptrend. We got the market at resistance, so we was looking to sell. That stochastic is starting to fall down. So on the weekly, so I was looking to sell, and on that daily time frame, what happened on the daily time frame? No, I know better than that. I know the market. I know on the daily time frame that we had more analysis than this. It's just, how Smart Trader does. So let's bring in a smart trend line. You know how we do it. That's funny, when I want to make a video with the Forex family, children is up. But normally when I have to go to work, you never have to tell the children to get up. And normally when I go to work, you gotta wake the children up. Guess I need to start making Forex videos in the mornings more often. So you gotta wake the kids up. Alright, so so we had a downtrend line that has been broken, and the market is now in this uptrend. Okay. Smart Trader, losing my stuff, man. Yeah, just found the lowest point. Alright. And we do have that uptrend right there, and we in the buy zone. Okay. So we're looking to short term buy this, buying it short term and selling it long term. And at the moment we are, looks like we were going to buy up until the 1618 day extension, which is not that far away. But that daily stochastic is in the overbought zone. But let's see here. We did have a bear crown on the 1 hour time frame. We had a bullish crown formation. Excuse me. We had a bullish crown formation. That 618 day extension was taken out by the market. We actually did move our Fibonacci's, and that is the 1618 day extension, and I think I tagged that to the higher time frames as well. So with that being said, the 8818, I believe that is a price point. That 8818 No, I didn't add that right there. Okay. So that was the 8818 price point. That is where we feel like the market would go based off of Fibonacci's. But as we could see, we had the market breaking the trend line, and so the market breaks the trend line, it will gravitate towards the next trend line, knowing that we just took out a 618D extension. The market wanted to extend a little bit more, and now we've been finding multiple points of resistance. If you guys can see that right here, multiple points of resistance. We got resistance there. We got one resistance. We got two resistance, and we got three resistance. Okay. And we got 3 points of resistance where the market has been holding price point, and then you got low, you got your high, now you got your lower low. Oh, you got your lower low. Then we're back at this resistance high, and the market could be getting ready to go make this lower, making a lower low deeper right here with the stochastic, or the daily stochastic. That is, that's the 1 hour time frame. Daily stochastic oversold, overbought right now, and weekly time frame stochastic overbought, heading to the south. So look like we're getting a lot of momentum. We do have a nice high price, so we could sell right here, get us some pips. Scalpers out there, could be a nice little trade here to the 1618. That's 200 pips. And you guys know, entry strategy, 1 hour time frame, bring in your kind of trend line. Just bring your kind of trend line in over the candlesticks, or if you want to, you could use this one. So there's two kind of trend lines. That one is a little bit more aggressive. I would kind of want to stay away from that one, but I'll do this kind of trend line. I would use that kind of trend line right there, because this one is a little aggressive. So with that being said, we'll get rid of this one, because this is a very aggressive kind of trend line. We'll just stick with this kind of trend line right here. And what we're going to wait for is, we're going to wait for the market to do something like this. See if I can change that color. Alright, we'll just wait for the market to do something like this. It's going to come down, then it's going to wave up. It's going to come down, break the trend line, and then the market's going to come back up, and then we will sell the market at that high price. We'll sell the market at that high price right there. That's what we're looking for right there. That is that exact move that we're looking for right there. Now this is the 1 hour time frame, and after that counter trend line break, and once the market closes bearish below this counter trend line, we normally would sell, but knowing that this is the Great British Pound, we kind of want to wait for the market to make this type of movement, because if the market does want to reverse after breaking this counter trend line, then let the market go back up, and to help to prevent drawdown, we'll just sell at that high price if the market's going to give us another high price. Now it's still okay to sell once you do the counter trend line break, because that is our strategy. This is the main trend line that was broken, and as you can see right here, we would have bought in a counter trend line here, Actually, let's go ahead and bring it in. It's not 0.2, just 2. Okay, yeah. As you guys see here, we would have bought in the trend line there, and then the market actually broke the trend line, the counter trend line, and then the market fell. And from that point, the market closed bearish below this counter trend line. We would have sold the market, and the market fell all the way to here, and that was 134 pips. But then the market reversed. It reversed right back. So that's why I say you do want to be careful when it comes to the Great British Pound pairs, because they are very sporadic and they move hundreds of pips in a matter of days, so, or in a matter of seconds, or whichever one, however you want to put it. But GBP AUD, guess we're selling right now. We had a nice high price. Stochastics are turning around, and we got that nice high price here on the daily time frame. And we have Fibonacci D1 618D extensions that have been hit off of this bullish crown formation. But now I want to look at this Great British Pound Japanese Yen. Great British Pound Japanese Yen. Now this was the trade that I actually was looking at and was wanting to keep an eye on, because weekly time frame, with the market breaking the uptrend, we go the sell zone. Now we got this downtrend line. This could be a false break, as we have all these levels of resistance, and I want to see if the market was going to hold that level of resistance and start falling back down to the south. But the stochastic is in the overbought zone on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we do have a crown formation. We do have a bear crown formation, and I know we got more trend lines than this, but we're just going to focus on the trend lines here, because we had this uptrend line that was broken. So now we're back in the sell zone. We're in the sell zone with a crown formation, and I thought I had Fibonacci's up there. Okay, no, I did bring in Fibonacci's, but I had took them off because I don't think you guys could see it. Let's see how close we are on the Fibonacci. The market actually came within a matter of pips from that 618D extension, and the market was almost there. It was still like 80 pips away, 80 pips away. But right now we're starting to get close. All right, let's go and clean it up. Okay. Alright, so now we're starting to get close to where we're finna get ready to start selling, because the daily time frame, stochastic overbought. The stochastic is overbought, guys. Overbought stochastic. We are at the resistance level of that left tip. Markets does the same thing over and over and over again. We got past resistance, and look how we got this resistance at the current market price, and that's right at the right tip. So this could be a perfect time to start selling. Then we go to the 1 hour time frame, and on the 1 hour time frame, we have a trend line that has been broken. I don't know why Smart Trader is losing all of my trend lines, because whatever's going on is not cool at all. But it's alright, we're gonna handle it, man. We're gonna handle it. Okay. Alright, there's our trend lines. And as you can see right now, we did have a up A B boundary that was still, the market actually touched that 1618D extension, and then look at the market, what it decided to do. Once it hit that 1618D extension and it broke the trend line, as you can see, the market did exactly what we intend for, or what we look for it to do. And you can see right here, you can see where the market hit the 1618D extension. The market broke. Actually, let me get that off of here. Let me get these fibs off of here real quick. All right. I'll bring in this trend line, and you can see where the market hit the 1618D extension, broke the trend line, came back up to test the back side of the trend line, and right there, is that not what we look for? Is that not what we look for as far as our trading style, as far as my trading style? Is that not what we look for right there, ladies and gentlemen? Right here live, right before I go to work. Bam. And the market has come up again. Now we done broke the trend line again. Market went back up to test the backside, didn't fully test it. But here came another selling opportunity right here. Another selling opportunity right there, and possibly another one, another selling opportunity. And as you can see it right there, guys, as traders, we buy high, we sell high and we buy low. And you see those sell trades, you see them live right here, right now, right before I go to work. Market did. Now this is what I like about trading forex, is when the market does exactly what you feel like it's going to do, and it does it perfectly. And that's what I really wanted to show you guys. And right now, the market is going back up to that high price, and we just bring in the same, do the same thing as we was doing before. So there we go. Market's trying to come up again. So we got the high, we got the low, we got the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Market didn't make the lower low. We could find a level of support here, but we'll see what the market wants to do as we have those crown formations. I mean, not crown formations. We have those two Fibonacci's right there. And that's it, guys. Just wanted to go through some more of those Great British Pound pairs up to get them up to date, and show you guys what was going on. But I will come back later on tonight. We went through the AUD and the Japanese yen. We still have the other pairs to go through, and then we'll go through and look for some more potential trades. So hey, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, for its family. I appreciate you watching the video. Please leave your likes, shares, and comments down below in the comment section. And if you guys just follow me on YouTube, you see I got a free Fibonacci ebook on the website. And that website name is winmoreforextrades.com/Fib ebook, FIBEBOOK. And that's how you get your you can go to that website and that webpage and grab your free Fibonacci ebook. And a lot of you guys that watch my videos on YouTube, on Facebook, you guys can already see what goes on as far as the way I trade, my trading style, and what I'm possibly looking at in the market. And you see me put Fibonacci's up on the chart, so you guys should be pretty familiar with Fibonacci's right now. And but yeah, I'll put that website down in the description. But thank you guys for hanging out with me. But it's time for me to go. I will holler at you guys later.